Hey guys, it's EastJapanBenAJ here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this even softer slime than my own original recipe. So let's get started. Also, in my original video, I realized that you couldn't even hear me well, so I probably will be uploading it again. I'm not sure, so yeah. You'll need a container, school glue, slime solution. I have some wax and water here. You can use baking soda, water, and contact solution, whatever you want. And some shower gel. You also need some head and shoulders. Okay, so take your slime solution. I already mixed mine. And add it into your head and shoulders. And you must have head and shoulders for this part. Also, you're going to have to add in a lot of slime solution to make it look like this, like the original recipe said. You can also use some healing ointment instead of your Vaseline if you want, and if you don't have any. Oh, oops, it's alright. A tissue next to me. So now take your shower gel, just add in a bit, maybe 3/4 of how much head and shoulders you added in. So about that much. And just add it in, and it may become more watery or more like this, but I prefer it to be watery. So watery makes it much more easier to mix in the healing ointment. Alright, now adding your healing ointment. You don't need that much. I'm gonna put it on the side and then just scoop it up from there. Okay, that is not working. Come on. Alright, just add that in. Doesn't matter if it's still clumpy, as long as it's mixed in. You also don't need too much. So I'm just going to add in a bit more. I'm going to try and put on my mixing material. See if that might work. And you're going to try and break up the really big lumps. The lumps you can actually see. Now just add in your glue. You don't need too much. And it will become really soft. So you're gonna have to add in a little bit more glue once you put in a little bit more. Maybe about that much. And just keep on mixing. Okay, kind of cleaning up my container now. I'm just gonna have to add in more black. It doesn't really matter if you're going to add in some more black water or your slime solution. So it's either soft because you don't have enough glue or you don't have enough slime solution. Or, yeah, slime solution if you want to call it that way. since I added more glue, it's cleaning up my container. But obviously, never use slime containers as food containers. And it is very sticky because it's so soft. But it's supposed to be that way, so don't worry. And here is our completed slime. It's very soft because of the healing ointment and the other ingredients. And also, you can get your hands a little shiny because of the healing ointment. So you might want to wash your hands after you play with this. But it is actually really fun to play with. Just play with it on a hard surface, not very soft, not your iPad cover, not on your iPad. You can play with it in the container, that's much more safe. And it's really fun. This was from a previous video. You may have or may not have seen it, but if you can see it's very thick. And it's really bouncy, but it's not as soft as this one, because you can't make it into a ball that well. And if you bounce it, it just does that. So if you want to see how to make this, check out my other video, if it is or isn't uploaded.